We're in Cascais, Belora. It's one of the most luxury neighborhoods in this area in Portugal. We're at this beautiful property. It's 4-bed, 5-bath, 199 square meter total. Let's go check it out. All right, so as you walk into the house, you get this beautiful industrial looking door. It's big and it has a lot of safety. Clearly nobody's gonna be breaking in with this door. And speaking about security, back here you have this little panel, like mini iPad looking thing. It controls the security, it controls the cameras, it controls the lights, it controls a lot of different things in the house. It's a smart house. And then in addition to that, you have both of these here, which controls all of the shutters in the house. So from here, you can open and close the shutters on all of the windows in the house, which is a super, super cool feature. So from when you walk into the house and turn left, you come straight into the kitchen. It's this beautiful open space concept that seamlessly flows into the living space. But in the kitchen, we have fully equipped AEG appliances, and then a lot of it's seamless storage with the appliances. So this is the fridge, for example. You would never be able to tell from that. This is the dishwasher, which you would never be able to tell right there. And it's all very seamless, very beautiful. You have seal stone countertops, electric stove, and you have a beautiful window right here that brings in all natural light. It's honestly, it doesn't get better than this for a kitchen. So I love the way they built this. They built it with a different coloration and material of stairs, so you feel like there's slight separation between the kitchen and the living space, which is really nice. And when it comes to the living space, you have this really open, spacious area, this open space concept. You have 2 huge sliding doors and just a bunch of windows everywhere. And who doesn't love windows? I mean, natural light is most buyers' favorite thing, and this comes with a lot of natural light. And in addition to this, you also have an AC unit, both in the living room and in the kitchen area. So it's honestly the perfect space. So from the living space and the kitchen space, you have this very long, well-designed hallway. And this hallway is really cool because it has a lot. One, the first thing is when you start to walk down the hallway, you have this really nice bathroom. It's a social bathroom. It's the only social bathroom on this level. As you come along the hallway, one thing that's really cool is you have windows along. So again, you have all that natural light. This is a 4 master bedroom house, which is really unique. So that means you have 4 master bedrooms, 4 bedrooms all equipped with wardrobe space and a bathroom. Also, every single bedroom has an AC unit too, which is really unique here in Portugal. All right, so this house has 2 floors, and when you begin to walk down to the bottom floor, you have these huge windows that can open. They're double glass and they provide a ton of light. And then as you walk down, you have these absolutely gorgeous marble stone staircase. Come downstairs, you probably think that there's not gonna be any natural light, but that's not the case here. They have windows in here, so you have this theme throughout the whole house where you have a lot of natural light, which is a big deal for a lot of people. You have the same seal stone countertops that you had upstairs, and yes, a downstairs kitchen, which is awesome. So you could do a lot of different things because you essentially just have a massive open space and you have a kitchen. So you could turn this into literally whatever you want. You could turn this into an awesome man cave, a cool studio. You could turn this into an awesome gym. You could even turn this into a second house because there's direct access to the garage if you want your in-laws or something like that to live with you. There's a lot of different options you could do with this place. Also, something that's really cool that I appreciate is they could have, because this is a downstairs kitchen, not as big, they could have gotten less quality appliances, but what they decided to do is continue the theme with the AEG appliances, and they have all the appliances AEG down here as well. Also, so right here, from the big space area, there's a hallway that comes down, direct access to the garage, but in between there, we have this laundry room area, which is really cool for a few reasons. One, you have this, again, marble countertop, and then you have something really unique in Portugal, which is a washer and a dryer. In Portugal, you'll notice there's a lot of people always hanging their clothes out, and it's because they don't have dryers. They go to laundromats for dryers, but this place comes with a dryer. So here in Portugal, that is an awesome, awesome bonus to have. So coming outside of the laundry room, as I said, you get direct access to the road, which is basically this garage. So you get let out to the garage, which leads you out to the road. This is a 2-car garage, and you have a port to charge if you have an electric car. And yeah, it's a pretty cool area, but now let's go check out the rest of the outdoors. Also, just another thing I wanted to mention before we check out the rest of the outdoor spaces, when you look at this house, you can tell, I mean, just look how many windows there are, just to prove to you how much natural light you get, which I know is such a big deal for so many people, which is why I keep harping on it. But yeah, check out all these windows. So now we're in the garden area, and one thing I want to mention is that this house has solar panels, and the solar panels are what heat up the water. So it's an eco-friendly house, which is really cool and a big deal for a lot of people. And then as we're walking through just the backyard area, you have this really awesome social area where you can have a barbecue, you can have just lounge tables, lounge chairs, whatever you want. It's actually protected with like a sunroof, and it has direct access to the kitchen, which is kind of an awesome thing to have because you're just one step away from coming out into the garden area from cooking. So you can even have your dinner table here and eat dinner here, even when it's raining, because it's protected. So continuing through the garden, we have, I mean, look at it, it's just beautiful. You have like great green grass mixed with this like Maldives-esque looking pool. It literally doesn't get better than this. I would literally buy this myself. Like, it is such a perfect house. But this is a 5-foot deep pool. It comes up to 2 feet. It has a ledge. And I really love the coating that they did, or the color they chose to wrap the pool in, because like I said, it gives this really blue Maldives look. You have an outdoor shower. And I mean, words just, I'm speechless right now. Like, what else do you want me to say? It's perfect. Just look for yourself. So this is what 1.68 million euros gets you in Cascais, Portugal. You're 5 minutes from the nearest shop, and you're 20 from Lisbon. It's literally the perfect location. You're in a very beautiful, nice, safe neighborhood, and an even more beautiful house. This price is insane for what you get. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and send a message to the email in the description below.